Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to peel a coconut and grate a coconut, one of the many old-fashioned ways. So this is a dry coconut, and as you would know, there are many different sizes and shapes of coconut, and it was being picked from this tree here. Sorry I didn't get to show you how we picked it, but this is a coconut tree. And here I have Nigel peeling this coconut on what you call a crowbar. You can also use a piece of wood, make a pointed shape, and that's how you peel the coconut, the real old-fashioned way. Here you have it, guys. Then we're going to burst our coconut into two halves, and we are going to use one of the old-fashioned sit-down grater. It looks like this, guys. You sit on it, and it's so much fun to do this. All right, so watch my uncle grate the coconut here. Take half of the coconut and he starts to shred it. This is it, guys. Look at this, and it comes out perfect. So as you can see, it's not done. We're going to continue, and once it's done, this is what the shell looks like. Thanks for watching.